India and Pakistan. They were one country. Ukraine was part of USSR. They started battles which are never ending. नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. The topic for today's conversation is after an observation that if you look at today, who is fighting? The people who are fighting with each other were best friends before. Today, they are the worst enemies. For example, if you look at Ukraine and Russia, Ukraine was part of USSR. So Russia and Ukraine was one country. South Korea and North Korea, they were one country. India and Pakistan, they were one country. So the best friends or same people got divided so much that they started battles which are never ending. They are neighbors. They are same people who speak same language, share same culture, or sometimes even share same religion. But they are fighting with each other for nothing. They're fighting over resources, they're fighting over wealth, they're fighting over land, but they are not realizing this, that what is the cause of this fight? The cause of this fight is devil. The cause of this fight is greed. The cause of this fight is resources. The cause of this fight is somebody else want you to fight. You are working as a proxy for someone else. They are utilizing you and then they are compensating you with aid and with help, military and financial, and they are giving refugee status to your citizens. But in actuality, the humanity is suffering. Nobody want to leave their home, but they have to leave the home because they have no choice. So if you look at it, the best friends or same people have become worst enemies. Same thing if you look at husband and wife. They are the love couple. They are one family. But when the divorce happens, they become worst enemies. So the seed of hate is planted by devil in the mindset of human beings. And then this dispute stays there for generations to come. And we keep on killing each other's people without knowing what they have done. So we just need to realize this, that are we in war because of our reasons, or we are fulfilling somebody's else objectives? We are becoming a player of war to sell some weapons or to use some weapons or to utilize some weapons or to sell destruction. And if both parties will buy weapons, the war industries will progress and then they will generate wealth, and some very few people will prosper, but a big amount of population will suffer and their generations to come will suffer. So we need to realize that we have to stop being selfish and stop being greedy, and we need to think about humanity as a whole, as all of us are children of Adam and Eve. So why the kids of same father and mother are fighting like anything, that they don't even care somebody live or die, doesn't matter to them? So please think about it and reevaluate your position and bring some love in our daily life, that we can kill this animosity, because this is all economics and politics. And our religion says anything that is against the will of God should not be supported. So we should all live under the guidance of our God with our one religion that God has provided to all of us as a guideline. And in this world, we all can live happily because there's enough resources and enough minerals and enough oil and enough grains for all of us that we all cannot finish it in our life. So, what is the fight about? What is the greed about? Why we need more and more? So, please think about it. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.